G'day, I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com, and today we are looking at my 2017 Holiday Faves album. This album was inspired by Lynette Pinacchio's Holiday Faves class that she runs each year, so be sure to check that out if this album inspires you. So let's take a flip through together. Today we are looking at one of my Holiday Faves albums in our Christmas album series. I hope you've been enjoying the series so far. Today's album is 2017 Holiday Faves, and this one I based on Lynette Pinaccio's Holiday Faves class. I've taken her class a handful of times now and bought her templates. They're really gorgeous, and I just find they make the process of documenting December really easy. They based on 10 favorites, plus they've got some filler pages, I guess you'd call them, that help you document the things you love about the season. So let's take a look. This is an 8x8 album. This one's printed by Shutterfly. And let's have a look. So we started off with a holiday manifesto. This was our family Christmas service, and Lucy had been struggling a bit, having a bit of a hard time getting up on stage and joining in with things. So we were really proud of her for giving it a go. Our bucket list, not very long this year. Talking about our advent calendars. So for this one, I just let the advent calendars kind of speak for themselves. Had a little bit of journaling there. Same with this one. Documented our birthday season. So this year we had to change the date of the Christmas carols, and I was able to be there, but children were a bit too sick, so Skyped them to say goodnight. And this year I really stuck to the Faves model, where you're not really going in chronological order. So this is a birthday, and then like there's actual Christmas Day stuff, and yeah, so it's all mixed in, a bit more like a Holiday Faves. In later years, I really did more chronological Holiday Faves, but you know, you can do it however you like. And here, towards the end, I got a bit more creative with the layouts. Just trying to finish off the album, and then added on the traditional gift pages, and I use this as a chance to document what our children are enjoying as well, and added a few highlights. And I love that doily. Simple scrapper Jennifer Wilson might have passed out of her doily era. I'm very much still in my doily era, although this was scrapbooked in 2018. I think I got it just before Christmas in 2018. And it actually is featured in my 2018 album. So I do take Nettio's class, and Lynette encourages you to scrapbook as you go along. But for me, I really don't. I totally leave it until the next year and I buy supplies and then I document it later. So if I was to change anything in this album, I think I probably wouldn't. I really like this album. It's got a good balance of photos and journaling, and documents some very special days. And I will link you up to the kits that I used. I can't link you up to these templates because Lynette only sells them for 1 year and then moves on. So, this gorgeous heart overlay. Not sure that she has one of those, but you could always design your own similar style. Thanks so much for watching. If you have documented your 2017, I would love to see it. Link me up to a video or a photo of your album. And if you haven't documented 2017, no stress. You can always jump in and take a class like Holiday Faves and document a previous year. Or if you want a slightly more done for you approach, you can check out my Simple Family Yearbook class, where I walk you through the 4 steps you'll need to get a beautiful album made for you. It's pretty awesome. Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I create new videos. If you'd like to learn more about digital scrapbooking or Photoshop elements, head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com.